how to communicate professionally with clients on Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. To interact with clients, open the workstream by clicking the message icon at the top right corner. This is where all project-related discussions happen, keeping communication secure and organized. When writing messages, focus on clarity and professionalism. Use complete sentences, avoid slang, and structure your points logically. Always address clients respectfully and provide precise answers to their questions. Clarify project requirement, deadlines, and deliverables to ensure mutual understanding. Asking thoughtful questions demonstrate your attention to detail and commitment to high-quality work. Keep clients informed by providing regular progress updates, including any challenges or delays. Timely updates build trust and reliability, improving your chances for repeat work and positive reviews. By mastering professional communication in Workstream, you can strengthen client relationships, enhance your reputation, and boost your success on Peopleperhour. Now you know how to communicate professionally with clients on Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.